What if you could create amazing AI images like this in just few seconds without learning Photoshop or graphic design? In this video, I'll show you how to generate stunning AI images using ChatGPT for free. Write better prompts, edit images with AI, and even create logos and social media posts. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Sign in with your account. You're already logged in. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account using Google account or email address. Creating an image is as easy as describing what you want. The more detailed your description is, the better results will be. For example, here we want to create an image. So here we are going to typing a prompt. Create a realistic golden Now simply click here and select create image. Then simply click on this send prompt. Now we are going to see second example to create cartoon style image. So what we will do, simply paste one prompt. Here we want to create a cartoon cat which is in floating in space with colorful planets. Okay, so here we are going to select the create image option and simply click here and then send prompt. You can also create cartoon illustrations, anime art, and digital paintings. Now I'm going to share with you the fourth example that will create a logo. Okay, and here I'm going to share with you how you can do that. So now we are going to create a logo. So this is my prompt. Design a modern logo for a coffee shop named Morning Brave using brown and gold color. You simple define your what thing you want to make in design. Okay, so it will create a great design for you. Now click on this send prompt. So friend, you can see that ChatGPT is generated high quality logo for me. So now I'm going to share with you how you can edit your existing image. Okay. So here we are going to upload image first in ChatGPT. Select that file and drag into your ChatGPT first. Here we are going to type a very simple prompt. Here we want to remove the background first. And simply enter. ChatGPT will remove the background of this image. So friend, you can see that background image is removed. Okay. Here we want to replace something unique, something creative. Okay. So here we are going to change two things. Here first we want to change background with sea water and then enter. So friend, you can see that very nice background is changed now. Now we are going to change a very unique thing. For example, we want to add in office environment. Okay. So here we are going to type replace the background modern office. Let's see what we will get. So friend, you can see that ChatGPT can also edit existing image. You don't need Photoshop for many everyday edits. What can you create? Here you can easily create logo, stickers, posters, product ads, social media posts, and many more, like block images, presentations, color books, book covers, birthday cards, invitations, business cards, and many things you can design by ChatGPT. That's it. How easy it is to create AI images with ChatGPT. Try different prompts, experiment with style, and you'll see surprised by what you can create in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to Hello Helper, and let me know in the comments what you will create first using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.